Okay, final countdown. So with indices, if you have the same base, and we've got base here and an index here. Base is the big number at the bottom, the index is the small number at the top. If you've got the same base and you're multiplying, you add the indices. So 4 to the 3 times 4 to the 6 is 4 to the 9. Why is that? Well, 4 to the 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, 3 times, and 4 to the 6 is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. I agree, if you've got 3 4s multiplied together, times another 6 4s multiplied together, that's 9 4s multiplied together. And so if you multiply, you add the powers. If you divide, you subtract the powers. 7 to the 3 divided by 7 to the 6 is 7 to the 3, take away 6, which is 7 to the minus 3. When you do to the power, 9 to the 3 to the 5, you multiply the powers. So that's 9 to 15. Those are 3 basic rules that you should know. For the next lot, 25 to the half means square root, so that's 5. 16 to the 3 over 2, you root it first, then you power it. Square root of 16 is 4, so this is the same as 4 cubed, 64. This has got the works. It's got the root, the power, and the flip. Let's do, which one do you want to do? Flip first? Okay, so we do 4 ninths to 3 over 2. Root it, 2/3 cubed, power it, 27. So flip, turn upside down. Then 3 over 2, look at the 2 here, square root, top and bottom, you've got 2/3. And then 3, 2 cubed over 3 cubed, 8 over 27. When you have a fraction, you do the same thing to the top and bottom. So you turn it upside down, and then you square it to the top and bottom, and then you power it to the top and bottom. That's the answer, is 8 over 27. These are the hard questions. Hopefully people remember that anything to the power 0 is 1. 49 to the n is 7. It's not 49 times a 7th, it's 49 to the power n. So what, in terms of squares, roots, etc., what takes you from 49 to 7? Well, square root of 49 is 7, so that means the power a half. This is a tricky one. 0.01 is 1 over 100. What is 100 in terms of powers of 10? It's 10 squared. So if 10 squared is 10 to the 2, 1 over 10 squared is 10 to the minus 2. That was tricky. This is the hardest one though. How do you get from 1 over 9 to 3 in terms of flipping, powering, rooting? Well, obviously you've got to flip it. If you flip 1/9, you get 9. So there's going to be a minus involved. And then how do you get from 9 to 3? You square root it. So that's your answer. Tricky.